Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP DeskJet 3630 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on this, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't matter which one, and into Google search, you're going to search for HP DeskJet 3630 drivers. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should say HP DeskJet 3630 all-in-one printer series. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you want to scroll down and you want to select the software utility listed in here and select the HP DeskJet 3630 all-in-one print and scan driver and accessories and the download button that corresponds to it. And then once it's downloaded to your system, you want to go ahead and open up that file and extract it. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select yes and give us a moment to connect and then just follow through with the on-screen instructions. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.